Welcome back to the smaller half. Hey guys, we wanted to show you how we made this.
Little seed here.
See that tiny little seed from the seed packet? In 30 days, we turned that into this.
Huge.
So we want to show you the daily progression on how we went from day 1 to planting them all the way to day 30. So it's 1 month. Also, if you stick around till the end, you can see us show you how to prune your pepper plants. And if you prune your pepper plants right, you'll get more peppers.
Do you think we'll get that many peppers, Dad?
I hope so. If we prune them right, maybe we will.
Yeah.
So watch along and we'll show you how we get to the day 30.
Last week we put up a video showing us planting some seeds, getting ready for our garden, and we wanted to give you a video with a little update and show you how everything's going. It's been 1 week since we planted the seeds, and we wanted to give you a daily progression of the progress. This is the first day that we saw the sprouts starting to peek up through the soil. It has been so fun watching them grow.
We have so many ones.
A watermelon coming up.
One right there.
And look at these tomatoes, all of them, all the tomatoes. Okay, next day.
And look at all of them.
They look kind of the same as yesterday, but
2 watermelons.
oops, we're losing focus. All of our plants are growing up. Look at those peas.
Look at all those.
And here they are. Check them out. They're getting bigger and bigger. Everything has grown. It's been a couple days since the last time we did a video.
We have all the watermelon grew.
Everything's sprouting, I think. There are 10 days old now, Kinley?
Yeah.
Is that what it is? It's hard to see right here, but we showed them to you early. See how much taller they are than all these other ones? We waited 1 week to see how it went. And what do you think, Kinley?
I think they're doing way better than these ones because in the last video I said they're gonna pass these ones and no.
Not yet.
These ones
Here they are after another few days of growth. And you can see we actually tried a bunch of different things just to experiment all these different containers. We even tried a toilet paper roll, huh, Kinley?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Really funny.
So these we planted on April 5th. So they're not just about 20 days old at this point. Look how big they are.
Yeah, they're really big. I'm super excited to plant them outside.
Now here they are, some of the ones that we transferred from the small ones into these Jiffy pots, right, Ken?
Yep.
And we like them. Here they are growing a little more on
Day 22.
day 22. And then we went up. Oh, here they are on
Day 24.
day 24. We didn't like the Jiffy pots as much. We like these plastic solo cups better. They seem to work better, and we'll show you why. So you can see here that all of these plants died.
All the plants died.
Poor plants.
The toilet paper roll also failed.
Aw, yeah, that didn't work out either. So I think I figured out why this happens with these. If you can see here, the outside of the cup actually absorbs the water, not just the soil. And when you use the plastic cups, only the dirt absorbs the soil. After they get pretty mature, it's good to take them outside for a couple hours a day just so they can get used to the sun and the atmosphere.
And the wind so the roots can get stronger so they can be planted outside.
Yeah, so you can see here it's pretty windy, but all that does, it's actually good for them. This is a little strong, but it's making those roots and those stems get a lot stronger.
It's day 27 now, and there's like 1,200 of them. That's 10 feet tall.
10 feet tall. I don't know about that. But we took these carrots that we planted and put them in these Easter buckets.
Yeah, rainbow carrots.
We have rainbow carrots and normal carrots. And we also put a jalapeno into this big one.
Yeah, it's huge.
Look how big that got from the small ones.
It's day 29. So once there's 6 leaves.
Once we get 6 leaves on the pepper plants.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, did I miss one?
Count them
1,
again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, correct.
Okay. So you pull down lightly and then you cut off those. Got my scissors. Kid scissors though.
Wait, I can't see. Okay, pull it here. Let me help you pull it down.
Okay.
And then you just snip off that top part. Careful.
Is that perfect?
Gotta be delicate. Yep, cut it. Good job. Perfect. Look at that. So now what that does, it helps it grow more leaves underneath instead of just keep growing straight up, because that way every one of these leaves that grow out becomes a branch that's going to produce peppers. And if it just goes straight up, then it's not a mini pepper.
I kind of want to eat these now.
Kind of want to eat them. You gonna try it? Go ahead. What do you think?
It just tastes like grass.
Yeah, kind of tastes just like grass, doesn't it? So that's how you prune your pepper plants if you want to get more peppers. Just cut it right off the top there, just like that. Good job, Kimmy. So we still have all of these nice pepper plants that we need to prune off the tops, just like that.
Because they all have 6 leaves.
Yep, they say at least 6 leaves. I mean, sometimes even 4 if you want to get crazy, but 6 at least.
Yay! We made it to day 30.
They're doing good. Check them out. I don't know if we'll ever be able to plant them outside, though. The winter that never ends. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.